Okay, so we'll start. You have to calculate your employer contribution to PF on basic plus DA multiplied by 13%. Here, for employer state, yeah, this is ESI calculation. You have to calculate gross salary. On gross salary, that is 3.25%. You have to make a TDS payment over here. So TDS payable account debited to bank account of rupees 69,000. After that, you have to make a salary entry, salary payable account debited. Here, this is everyone. So this was the second question. I give you the example. I give you the homework over here. Same entry you have to pass. You have to make a book entry. After that, you have to make a payment entry. First book entry will be same, only your salary account debited. After that, you have to credit it with your deductions, PF, ESI, professional tax, TDS, and all. Okay. After that, your whatever will be your net pay amount, it will go to salary payable account. Clear everyone?
मैम वो स्लाइड ओपन करना
कौन सा
इसके
वाला?
पहले वाली क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वाली मैम.
ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ही है.
हाँ ये वाली एक मिनट.
ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का जस्ट स्टार्टिंग वो पूरा वर्डिंग्स है. इसका क्वेश्चन ये है, ये क्वेश्चन है.
या मैम.
Okay, so you have to pass your book entry. After that, you have to pass a payment entry. ये आप लोग ने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया रहेगा तो सॉल्व करना, कुछ रहेगा तो आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
हाँ मैम.
Because answer also we have discussed same है. So next is advance tax. Same topic. See, you can see the advance tax. Normally, we earn the income in previous year and we pay the tax in the assessment year. But for the government, advance tax is when you are paying when you are earning the income, you have to pay in the same year only. For example, say you are earning in previous year, you have to pay tax on previous year only. But who will pay in advance? Whose tax liability is more than 10,000. We are talking about tax liability over here. I'm not talking about your income. If your tax liability exceeds rupees 10,000, you have to pay your advance tax in the previous year when you are earning the income. Clear? This is also known as pay as you earn the income. So from this, your advance entry will be started, advance journal entry. This is the advance tax. I have taken your example also. This is the transaction. Advance tax paid for the assessment year 2020 and 21 of rupees 1,50,000. Just pass the entry for this journal entry.
Advance tax account debit to cash or bank.
Yes, advance tax is my asset because I have paid the tax, but I have not received the services yet. So advance tax is my asset, and asset account always shows debit value. So advance tax account debited
Debit balance
to cash bank of rupees 1,50,000. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, we'll go ahead. Next is provision. As I told you before, the making of tax payment, you have to create a provision out of your profit. Here you can see the provision made out of your current profit. This is the example. This is the transaction. Provision for tax has to be made for the assessment year 2020 and 21 of rupees 5 lakh. What will be the journal entry? I told you that is profit is my nominal account, and nominal account rule is all the expenses and losses debited, and credit all income and gain. So this is my
Provision
income.
for tax to PNL.
Yes. You have to create a provision. So entry here will be profit and loss account debited to provision for tax. You have made the wrong entry.
PN.
Because यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, profit and loss account is my credit balance, but when I have to create na provision,
Yes.
profit balance will decreases. So you have to debit it.
Yes, correct.
So profit and loss account debited to provision for tax.
Limit provision.
So this is first what you have to do is compare your tax liability with the provision. After that, we'll compare my tax liability with advance tax. You have to compare with both. First, what do tax liability compare with provision, then tax liability compare with your advance tax. We'll take this first. So this is the advance tax paid. Just take an example. Advance tax paid of rupees 60,000 and provision for tax that is 70,000. Just think that you have paid advance tax 60,000 and you have created PFT that is 70,000. Okay. One example over here. Just assume that your PFT balance is more than your tax liability. What do you mean by this? You can see over here that is just fix. Assume that your tax liability is fixed at 50,000. Okay. So your tax liability that is 50,000, but in your PFT balance that is 70,000. In your PFT balance, how much is there? 70,000 is there. But how much you have to pay?
70,000.
You have to pay only 50,000. That means 20,000
50.
excess is there in PFT.
Yes.
So you have to transfer PFT account to PNL. You have to transfer it to PNL account. Because when you create a provision, you have to you create from your profit. So whenever there is an excess balance in PFT, you just transfer into PNL account. So entry will be PFT account debited 20,000 to PNL account 20,000.
20,000.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, just assume second example that your PFT balance is equal to your tax liability. Assume your tax liability is 70,000 because your PFT is 70,000. So no entry will be come over here because there is no excess balance in PFT. Because if you found out that any PFT balance is more than that, so you have to you have to transfer the again balance. But in this situation, your PFT is equal to your tax liability. There is no excess balance is there. So no entry will be passed over here. Clear everyone?
Yes.
What about others? समझ रहा है आप लोगों को?
हाँ मैम. Yes ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. Just give the reply, so I'll come to know. समझ रहा है या नहीं? So third example, PFT is less than your tax liability. Your PFT balance how much? 70,000, and your tax liability assume that 80,000. So कितना
80,000.
हाँ, so कितना कम पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे आपको?
10,000.
Yes, 10,000 कम पड़ रहा है. So just create a PFT balance. Just transfer from PNL. So you have to make a provision over here of rupees 10,000. So your entry will be
PNL PFT.
PNL account debit to PFT account of rupees 10,000. So when you have to create a provision out of your profit, na, so entry will be over here PNL account debited to PFT account. And whenever you are founding like if there is any excess balance in PFT, so you just transfer into it. Like first case, PFT account debited to PNL account 20,000. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so in this case, what we have done, we have compared our tax liability with provision. So what entry will be passed? We
Provision.
have checked. Yes. So next we have to check, compare with my tax liability, compare with advance tax. So just compare your tax liability with advance tax. Assume same example. You have paid advance tax 60,000. Okay. First case, your advance tax is more than your tax liability. As I told you, you have paid advance tax rupees 60,000, but your tax liability is how much? 50,000. That means you have paid 10,000 extra to the
50,000.
government. So government will give you the refund. It
Yes.
will come into your bank account. So entry will be, see, as I told you, whenever you are making a payment of tax liability, you have to make a payment from PFT. So always PFT account debited. So just debit your PFT account. PFT account debited rupees 50,000. Here you have to take your tax liability amount. And how much you have paid? You have paid 60,000. That means you have paid 10,000 extra. That is income tax refund. That is refundable. Receivable, you can say. Anything receivable in future, it's called asset. And asset is my
Assets.
debit, always account debit balance. Okay. That's why over here I have taken IT refund account debited 10,000 rupees. Okay. Clear everyone? So this is the book
Yes.
entry. Second, I have passed the refund entry also, receive also, receipt entry. First, I have passed book entry. In second, I have passed receipt entry. So I have receipt in my bank account. So I have debited bank account to IT refund account. So here you can see that IT refund account has been
IT
nullified. Nullified. Because IT refund account debited, you have debited 10,000 and here you have credited. So debit credit cut कर सकते हो आप, nullify हो सकता है. Clear हुआ? बट यहाँ पे हम लोग एडवांस एंट्री
Yes.
सीख रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू पास बुक एंट्री ऑल्सो एंड पेमेंट एंट्री ऑल्सो एंड रिसिप्ट एंट्री ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो जस्ट टेक अ एडवांस, जस्ट टेक अ सेकंड केस, दैट इज एडवांस टैक्स इज इक्वल टू योर टैक्स लायबिलिटी. You have paid advance tax rupees 60,000 and assume that your tax liability also 60,000. So in this situation you have not paid excess amount to the government. So government will not give you the refund amount. Clear? So here you have to pass the entry PFT account debited to advance tax. Because as I told you,
Advance
you have
tax.
to pay your tax liability from PFT account only. Because we have created PFT account to pay the tax. So we have to debit it over here. PFT account debited to advance tax. 60,000. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just take a third example. Advance tax is less than your tax liability. You have paid 60,000 advance tax, but your tax liability is how much? 80,000. So in here you have to pay 20,000 extra.
80.
Yes. So your tax liability you have to pay from your PFT account. So PFT account debited 80,000. You have to pay more 20,000. IT payable I have credited because anything payable in future it's called liability and liability account always shows credit balance. So to IT
Credited.
payable, yes, to advance tax 60,000. This is the book entry. You have to pass the payment entry over here. So in second entry, I have passed IT payable account debited 20,000 to bank account 20,000. Clear everyone?
Bank account credit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, we'll go ahead. So इसका हम लोग ने एग्जाम्पल भी देखा था. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल 1 है ये. दिस इज द एडजस्टमेंट. जिस फटाफट आप लोग एंट्री मुझे बता दो तो आइडिया आएगा मुझे. जब यहाँ पे क्या है, एडवांस टैक्स यू हैव पेड फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 18-19 दैट इज 2 लाख रुपीज and you have paid advance tax again for the assessment year 19-20 of rupees 1,30,000. You have created provision for tax of for the assessment year 18-19 of rupees 1,80,000. So here in the adjustment you can see the gross liability has been fixed at rupees 2,20,000. As I told you, first compare your tax liability with provision for tax. Second, compare your tax liability with advance tax. You have to do both things. So we'll compare our tax liability with provision. So our tax liability is 2,20,000 and my provision for tax that is 1,80,000. So यहाँ पे you can see that 40,000 is less than in PFT balance. So you have to create more 40,000 का
Yes.
PFT. So what will be the entry for that? You have to create more entry, like in PFT balance. You have to create.
P&L to provision.
Yes, P&L account debited to provision for tax, that is 40,000.
Provision.
That your tax liability compare with PFT, tax liability compare with advance tax. Here your tax liability is 2,20,000 and your PFT is 1,80,000. So here you can see that your entry will be profit and loss account debited to PFT account 40,000, 40,000. Clear? Now you have to compare your tax liability with advance
Yes.
tax. To compare your tax liability is how much? 2,20,000
Advance.
and you have paid in advance, that is 2 lakh.
Yes.
That means 20,000 you have paid less than.
2
So
lakh.
now you have to paid. You have to pass the entry. Just pass the entry. See your tax
Income
liability.
tax payable account debit to bank.
नो ये आपने लास्ट एंट्री बता दिया. पहले बुक एंट्री तो बताओ मुझे.
Payment.
हाँ आपने मुझे लास्ट वाला एंट्री बताया. इनकम टैक्स पेबल टू बैंक. दिस इज योर पेमेंट एंट्री. But as I told you, you have to make a पहले book entry, then you have to pass the payment entry. So book entry will be PFT account debited, and your tax liability is that is
Advance tax.
2,20,000. Yes. Out of that, you have paid in advance 2 lakh rupees. Now more you have to pay 20,000 to the government. So this is the book entry. After that, you have to pass the payment entry. Income tax
Payment
payable
entry.
account debit to bank account. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see in this question, this is the question. Just pass the second adjustment. Just solve the second adjustment. Second adjustment is saying you have to create the provision of rupees 1,20,000 for the next year. So just create
P&L to
provision.
provision. P&L to provision.
Yes, P&L account debited to
1,20,000.
PFT account 1,20,000. So here you can see that this is the second adjustment. P&L account debited to PFT account 1,20,000, 1,20,000. We have created for the next year out of profit. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So this is the example 2. Just take the screenshot and do it at home, your home. जिसने नहीं किया है वो लोग को बात कर रही हूँ. जिसने किया है वो लोग के लिए ठीक है. ठीक है. वो लोग भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं ये सब. I'm not discussing the answer right now. So this is the example 3. You can take this also screenshot for your own. लिया screenshot आपने इसका. सॉल्व करना अगर कुछ रहेगा तो यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, या तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ही पूछोगे तो चलेगा. तो इसका आंसर मुझे हटाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so in second chapter you have learned about what is salary. You have learned about basic journal entry. So then you have learned what is advance tax, what is provision for income tax. You have learned about advance journal entry. You have
कौन
learned
सा चैप्टर है हम लोग का?
ये सेकंड चैप्टर है. फर्स्ट चैप्टर रिकंसिलेशन था. ये एडवांस जर्नल एंट्री सेकंड टॉपिक है. सो नाउ थर्ड टॉपिक इज
प्रोविजन फॉर इनकम टैक्स.
कंपनी प्रोविजन फॉर इनकम टैक्स हुआ ना. सेकंड टॉपिक में ही कवर किया मैंने.
कवर किया हम साथ में कवर किया क्या प्रोविजन फॉर इनकम टैक्स और वो वाला?
हाँ तो साथ में ही होगा ना, वो कंपेयर होगा. इनकम टैक्स और एडवांस और प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स दोनों साथ में लिया है मैंने, जो आपको इजीली समझ जाएगा इसके लिए. सो थर्ड टॉपिक इज कंपनी. So this is, you can see the company. You can say this is the association of person where the individual works with lots of people for the common object. Commercial business, you can say. So this was the features of the company. First is artificial legal person. As I told you, artificial legal person means the person who is running the business is different from the company. See, कंपनी जो एक तो आर्टिफिशियल है, उसको रन जो कर रहा है वो तो एक पर्सन ही कर रहा है ना. कंपनी तो आर्टिफिशियल है, लेकिन उसको जो रन बाय कर रहा है कंपनी को, वो पर्सन रन कर रहा है. इसके लिए इसको आर्टिफिशियल लीगल पर्सन बोला हुआ
Yeah.
है. लेकिन दिस इज द कंपनी ना, तो कंपनी कैन डू एनीथिंग, वॉट एवर राइट्स द पर्सन हैविंग ना, द कंपनी ऑल्सो हैव द राइट्स. ओके. So next is separate legal entity. You can say the same point you can cover over here. It is a legal artificial person. Like आप लोग बोल सकते हो, this is a separate business. So as I told you, the person who is running the business वो अलग है उसकी कंपनी से, because कंपनी अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट अलग करेगी, वो पर्सन अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट अलग से करेगा. They can make a agreement like they can like say they can say appoint the board of director also. They can appoint also a board of director.
Hmm.
Third thing is perpetual succession. You can say that no effect of any person or members, transfer of new members. You can say company will continue. अगर कोई पर्सन कंपनी छोड़ के भी अगर जा रहा है तो उससे कंपनी रुकेगी नहीं, कंपनी चलती रहेगी. तो दिस इज अ परपेचुअल सक्सेशन. नो इफेक्ट ऑफ द एनी पर्सन और एनी मेंबर्स. लाइक अगर किसी का डेथ या एग्जिस्टेंस हो जाता है या फिर ट्रांसफर ऑफ न्यू मेंबर्स हो रहा है, कंपनी छोड़ के कोई जा रहा है, तो उससे कंपनी रुकने वाली नहीं, कंपनी को कोई इफेक्ट होगा नहीं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी.
Yes.
मैंने आपको बताया था लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी इज लाइक शेयर होल्डर का जो लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी इज लाइक हाउ मच यू आर होल्डिंग योर शेयर्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल से आई एम होल्डिंग ऑफ 2 लाख रुपीज का शेयर. सो मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 लाख की लाइबिलिटी है. सो आई हैव 2 लाख का लाइबिलिटी. सो दिस इज अ लिमिटेड. So whatever amount you are holding in your hand as a name of shares now, so this is your limited liability. This is the transferability of shares. You can transfer freely, does not requirement any permissions and all. You can share freely transferable. Last one is common seal. This is you can say that this is the company signature. Okay.
Yes.
Is types of company. So here you can say this is the types of company on the basis of formation, on the basis of liability, on the basis of numbers of members.
Members.
So on the basis of formation is like statutory company, registered company, like who have registered your company in Act 1956 or Act 2013. There are 2 acts, 2013 or 1956. You have to register your company. Okay. Next is on the basis of liability. There are 3 types of liability. You can say limited by shares. As I gave you the example, how much amount of shares you are holding now. This is your liability. If you are holding 1000 rupees ka share, 1000 ki liability you have. Okay. Limited
Yes.
by guarantee. For example, say you go in a company and ask for the I want debenture, I want shares, but you don't have a security. So you go with your guarantor. So they will give you the share also. Because guarantee होना जरूरी है. अगर मैंने पेमेंट नहीं किया तो फ्यूचर में पेमेंट कौन करेगा मेरे बिहाफ पे. सो गारंटर लेके जा सकते हो आप. फिर अनलिमिटेड कंपनी. फॉर एग्जांपल से यू हैव परचेज ऑफ ₹2 लाख का शेयर फ्रॉम द कंपनी एंड कंपनी को लॉस हो गया. सो इफ यू हैव परचेज ऑफ अनलिमिटेड कंपनी का शेयर ना ऑफ 2 लाख रुपीज, अगर कंपनी को 10 लाख का भी लॉस हो गया है और कंपनी में 4 लोग हैं, सो आप एक के हिस्से में कितना आ रहा है, 2,50,000 आ रहा है. वेदर यू हैव परचेज 2 लाख का शेयर, यू हैव टू पे 2,50,000 बिकॉज इट्स अनलिमिटेड कंपनी. मतलब लाइबिलिटी अनलिमिटेड है. मतलब जितना कंपनी को लॉस होगा उतना शेयर होल्डर को पे ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. शेयर होल्डर हैज टू पे ऑफ द अमाउंट. क्लियर?
Yes.
So next is on the basis of number of members, you can say that the private company or public company. So in in the private company, there are minimum 2 members are there, minimum 2 members, and maximum it was 50, but it's upgraded to 200 in the companies at 2013. It was 50 in the companies at 1956, but in the companies at 2013, there is 200 maximum in the private company. And in the public company, there is a minimum is 7 members required and unlimited. Okay. So next is share capital. This is the amount, like if company requires the capital, so they can issue the share. From their amount, it is called share capital, you can say. You can say it is a long-term sources of finance. If company issue the shares, auto capital will get increased, right? This is the meaning of share. Share means a share in the company of share capital of a company. This is just a meaning. This is the 2 types of share capital, preference shares and equity shares. Preference shares get full rights because इनके नाम में preference दिया हुआ है, so they get full preference. In equity, they don't get preferential anything. They don't get dividend also. Preferential also get the fixed rate of dividend. We have seen the types of share capital. So this is the 6 of these 6 are the types of capital: share capital, authorized capital, issue capital, subscribe capital, reserve capital, called up capital, and paid up capital. This is the types of
Paid up
share
capital.
capital. Yes. For the exam purpose, this chapter is not so important for the exam purpose, because this is the theory. And as I told you, advanced advanced accounts where exam will come from 100 marks. All practical sums. You have to solve everything in Excel. So next is debenture. This is the instrument, you can say. Yeah, like you can invest in this.
एक्सेल में कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो भी आप बताओ क्या सम्स प्रैक्टिकली
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकली
हाँ है?
पूरा होने के बाद.
अच्छा
उसके बाद ये फीचर्स है. डिबेंचर का मतलब बताया है यहाँ पे. जनरली इट इज अ बोरोड कैपिटल एंड दिस इज अ सिक्योर्ड. You can say generally it is a secured when you purchase the debentures and all. So difference you can see, shares and debenture. The person who is holding the share, it's known as shareholder. The person holding the debenture, it's known as debenture holder. Clear? Have share, and if you want to convert into debenture, you can't convert it. But if you have debenture, if you want to convert into share, you can. No? Share cannot be converted into debenture, but debenture can be converted into share.
Share.
Because shareholder are the owner of the company. This is the issue of share capital. You can issue your shares in discount, par, and premium. But when it was Companies Act 1956 ना, आप लोग डिस्काउंट इशू कर सकते थे. बट इन द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 आप डिस्काउंट इशू नहीं कर सकते. वो लोग ने मना किया हुआ है. सो इफ यू वांट टू इशू योर शेयर्स, यू कैन इशू एट पार और प्रीमियम. पार मीन्स सेम अमाउंट, 100 का शेयर्स है तो 100 में बेचो. प्रीमियम मीन्स 100 का शेयर रहेगा तो एक्स्ट्रा उस पर 10 रुपए या 15 रुपए एड ऑन करके बेचो. क्लियर? फिर आपका ये जो भी प्रीमियम अमाउंट रहेगा वो इट विल गो इन द सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट. बिकॉज अगर हम लोग प्रीमियम ले रहे हैं कस्टमर से, तो इन फ्यूचर अगर डिस्काउंट देना रहा मुझे किसी को, तो प्रीमियम में से ही जाएगा. इसके लिए प्रीमियम को अलग से अकाउंट दिया हुआ है, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट. सो वो रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस में ही रहता है. सो इन दिस चैप्टर यू हैव learned about what is company, types of company, what is share capital, types of share capital, debenture, difference between in that and all. Okay. So today तो हम लोग ने सिर्फ रिवीजन किया आज तो हम लोग ने. सो किसी को कुछ डाउट रहा होगा तो क्लियर हो गया होगा. आई होप सो.
हाँ मैम.
Okay. Vignesh, you have any doubt in this? Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
No doubt.
Okay, we'll stop over here. We'll continue tomorrow.